So this means that your home or office is more prone to a burglary than a bank is. Well, what can you do about it? We saw that not everyone can afford a remote alerting CCTV system that costs more than $200 and has a lifetime of maintenance cost as well as troubleshooting issues associated with it. So we designed Balert. Balert is a simple, reliable security system that everyone can afford to buy and requires no maintenance.
Nevon Balert is a smart, maintenance-free security system that works in stealth mode and is very easy to install. It can be installed in less than 3 minutes and can secure your home, office or shop in no time. Balert is a security system for everyone. It actually allows you to stop a theft from happening. It gives you a chance to take action in time, no matter how far you are. Also, it gives you a chance to detect and stop fires from spreading.
When we built our first prototype, we got a lot of suggestions from users. So we then kept adding more and more features and made lots of improvements to Balert. Now, after 2 years of improvisations, Balert is finally ready to handle all kinds of security threats. This is our third prototype, and we now need your support to buy the needed machinery and upgrade our production setup. This will help us to develop Balert at lower manufacturing costs by doing bulk production. Also, we plan to make Balert even smaller in size and improve its design even further. Thank you for showing interest in Balert.